Today we're going to make these individual Christmas tree cakes. Keep watching. The first thing I need to do to make this is make a cake. Now I'm using a cake box mix. You can make it from scratch if you like. It's no different than any other cake we're going to make, so use your favorite recipe. Start by putting your cake mix into your bowl. I am going to add 1 ounce of Jell-O. This is just powdered Jell-O. And what that's going to do is make our cake a little more dense, so it's a little easier to cut. And then just follow the rest of the directions on the box mix. It adds ½ cup of oil, 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs. Then just mix this up. Now that that's mixed up, we're going to bring out our 9 by 13 inch pan. We're only going to fill this with about ½ an inch on thickness all the way across. So I think it's only going to take about half of this, or maybe 3/4 of it. We're going to see. Just spread it out. It might take the whole thing. Spread it out nice and even. Then we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. We are going to check it to see when it's good. Okay, well, it's all done. It took 38 minutes total, and you check it by putting a toothpick through. If it comes out clean, then it's good. Now what we're going to do is just let it sit out on the counter until it cools down completely. Now that it's cooled down completely, I'm going to remove it from the pan, and because I put it in parchment paper, it comes out nice and easy. And for this part, what I'm going to do is open up the paper. So I have this tool here. I'm going to cut it to about 1 inch in thickness. And all you do is kind of get it started. And save this, don't throw it out. This would be perfect for making cake pops. Next up, I have these cookie cutters, and they come in different sizes. One a little bit bigger than the other, and it comes with both a jagged end and a clean end. I'm gonna do some of each and see how these work out. What we wanna do is cut 3 different sizes of these circles into the cake. So let's start with the big one first and just cut a circle. Then cut the other one, and then cut the small one. Here's the small one. We're going to lay that out right there. And the middle one, and see if we can pull out the big one here. There we go. So we have our 3 different sizes. When we actually have our frosting done, we're going to put them all together like a Christmas tree. For now, we'll just keep cutting out different sizes. And I just have 4 different ones cut out right now, but you can cut out a lot more as you see here, at least 2 or 3 other ones. And then the rest of this, like I said, save that for the cake pops. Next, we're going to make some homemade buttercream frosting. To do that, I just have 2 sticks of butter that's been softened at room temperature, and that equals 1 cup. You want to blend this till it becomes nice and creamy and almost changes to a white color. Now that it's nice and creamy, we're going to add a little bit of vanilla extract, just about a ½ teaspoon. Blend that in. Next, we're going to add 4 to 5 cups of powdered sugar, and I'm only going to add 1 cup at a time. So add 1, blend it in. So it took 4 cups, and that's perfect for the thickness I want. You want it to be thick, but still pipeable. Next, we're gonna add some green food coloring to this, because it is Christmas tree after all. And there we go, there's our icing. Now that we have our icing done, our cakes have cooled off completely, they're all cut out. I have my icing in an icing bag with a 1M Wilton tip. I'm just gonna put some icing around the base of the biggest one first. Doesn't have to be a lot. Let's make sure it goes all the way around. Take the middle one and press it in. Then ice again. Take the small one and press that in. Then I'm going to ice the top like top of a tree. You can decorate this any way you want, but let's take a gumball as my star. And there you go, I have one done. Just do that with the rest of them, and you have yourself little individual, basically cupcakes that look like Christmas trees. Now it's time for a taste test. Let's dig in. Good. These are really good, super easy to make, and everyone at your Christmas party will enjoy them. Hope you enjoyed watching me make these individual Christmas tree cakes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button, get new videos all the time, and check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time.